The BTR-4 Bucephalus is a 8x8-wheeled armored personal carrier designed in Ukraine by the Kharkiv Morozov Machine Building Design Bureau as a private venture. The prototype, which was designed as a private venture, was unveiled at the Aviasvit 2006 exhibition held in Ukraine in June 2006. Description: the layout of the BTR-4 represents a change compared to the older BTR-6080 designed in the Soviet Union. The vehicle has a conventional layout similar to Western designs like the German TPZ Fuchs, with the driver's and commander's compartment at the front part of the hull, the engine and transmission compartment in the middle, and the troop compartment at the rear. The troops enter and leave the vehicle either through the rear doors or the roof hatches, and the driver and the commander are provided with doors located on the sides of the hull. The BTR-4 is a more flexible design than the older BTR-6080s, as the changed layout makes it easier to adapt the vehicle to specialized roles. The vehicle can be armed according to customer requirements. The prototype is armed with the locally designed new armament module, which is armed with 130mm automatic cannon, 7.62mm coaxial machine gun, up to 4 9P135M Konkurs or barrier anti-tank missiles, and 130mm automatic grenade launcher. It can also be fitted with different turret weapons modules, the GROM module, SHKVAL module, and the BAU-23X2 module. The BTR-4 has a maximum speed of 110 km per hour and can cross water obstacles at a speed of 10 km per hour. The vehicle is powered by a 3TD diesel engine with 500 horsepower. It was reported to being hit by several RPG rounds and multiple small arms fire with no consequences. Slat armor can be fitted for maximum protection against RPG attacks. Combat history: on June 4, 2014, company officials revealed that the BTR-4E was being used in military operations in the Slavyansk area. Its armor had withstood hits from large-caliber machine guns, counter-heat side screens protected the crew from anti-tank grenade launchers, and armored glass sustained direct hits from sniper rifles. BTR-4s that are actually being used by Ukrainian armed forces in the ATO operations come from the rejected batch for the Iraqi army. They were found with rust and damaged hulls and thus never accepted by Iraq. Their original desert camo as seen on Iraqi BTR-4s can be noticed in pictures and videos from ATO operations. However, several BTR-4 were captured by the rebels in repairable state. The Iraqi army used BTR-4s in an operation to recapture Jerf al-Sawqa from ISIL forces on October 24, 2014, successfully repelling 2 roadside ambushes. Versions: BTR-4K Reconnaissance Vehicle, BTR-4K Command Vehicle, BTR-4K SH Command and Staff Vehicle, BTR-4E1, MOP-4K Fire Support Vehicle, BREM-4K Repair and Recovery Vehicle, and the BSEM-4K Recovery and Medical Vehicle. BMM-4A, apparently similar in role to the BMM-1, First Aid and Battlefield Evacuation Vehicle, BMM-4B, apparently similar in role to the BMM-2, Battalion-Level Initial Medical Treatment Vehicle, BMM-4C, apparently similar in role to the BMM-3, Field Hospital. Weapons modules: Standard Module, Passengers, 3x Crew, 8x Soldiers. Armament: 1x 30mm automatic cannon, 1x 7.62mm coaxial machine gun, 4x 9P135M Konkurs or barrier AT missiles. GROM module: Passengers, 3x Crew, 8x Soldiers. Armament: 1x 30mm automatic cannon, 1x 30mm automatic grenade launcher, 1x 7.62mm coaxial machine gun, 4x 9P135M Konkurs or barrier AT missiles. SHKVAL module: Passengers, 3x Crew, 8x Soldiers. Armament: 1x 30mm automatic cannon, 1x 7.62mm coaxial machine gun, 4x 9P135M Konkurs or barrier AT missiles. BAU-23X2 module: Passengers, 3x Crew, 8x Soldiers. Armament: 2x 23x152M automatic cannons, 1x 7.62 mm coaxial machine gun. BTR-4 KSH Command and Staff Vehicle, passengers, 2x crew, 5x staff. Armament, 1x TKBO-1-1 12.7 mm machine gun. MOP-4K Fire Support Vehicle, passengers, 4x crew. Armament, 1x 120 mm cannon, 1x 12.7 mm anti-aircraft machine gun. Operators. Current operators Donetsk People's Republic at least 2 were captured by pro-Russian rebels. Indonesia The Indonesian Marine Corps has ordered 54 vehicles with BAU-23A, 2 module. Iraq The Iraqi Ministry of Defense ordered 420 vehicles in 2012. Only 88 out of an order for 420 were delivered by late 2013 and the contract has been cancelled due to numerous quality violations. Kazakhstan The Republic of Kazakhstan Armed Forces ordered 100 vehicles in 2012. Nigeria 5 BTR-4 for the Nigerian police. Ukraine. Armed Forces of Ukraine Ukraine's Ministry of Defense made an initial order of 10 vehicles that entered service in 2009. In August 2014 2 BMM-4s were ordered, they will be delivered in October 2014, Ministry of Internal Affairs Since 25 March 2014, 10 vehicles were transferred to the recently reconstituted National Guard of Ukraine. There were 40 vehicles delivered to NGU until July 2014. References. External links, BTR-4 Technical Data Sheet and Pictures, BTR-4 Armored Personnel Carrier at KMDB, the Ukrainian BTR-4 APC family at tanknutdave.com.